ET Now exclusive, 1,000 crore rupees FDI likely in Indian shipping from Cyprus-based firm soon. This follows PM Modi's recent visit to Cyprus in June. My colleague Samir Dikshit filed a report on this earlier.
India's shipping sector is likely to get a major boost. What we are picking up from our sources that the shipping sector is likely to attract an investment of 10,000 crore, that too through the FDI route, the foreign direct investment route. And this development is also important in the wake that this investment will be coming from Cyprus. So the investment is likely to be from Inter-Orient Navigation and Danship Partners, the Cyprus-based firm. And this is also important because this investment came after Prime Minister Modi made a state visit to Cyprus on June 15th. He held a talk with the Cyprus president on the maritime sector, how it could be further strengthened up. And later on, this development is coming in that India's shipping sector is likely to get an investment through the FDI route. And this investment is very important because this will help not just to strengthen the shipbuilding, but also to further give a boost to the overall maritime ecosystem. So the major benefit that India is looking through this partnership is that first, that all the ship built under this partnership will bear the Indian flag. Also, the freight earnings through this partnership that will come through EXIM, export and import, that entire freight earnings will stay within India. Also, this will also generate immense employment opportunities for Indian cadets, for the seafarers, for other similar kind of jobs as well. So there is a win-win situation which both the countries are looking at, and also this will help India to achieve its maritime goals, its Sagarmala goal as well. And this will also help to further strengthen India and Cyprus diplomatic ties and maritime ties as well.